If your tap or toilet is broken, or if your toilet is dirty, Abufunani Matamela can help. If you don't have water, or if there is not enough, or if your settlement doesn't have enough toilets, Abufunani Matamela can also help. If Abufunani does not respond, you can ask Dumisani Tembe. And if they don't respond, their MMC is Senzi Sibeko. If your refuse is not being removed, or if it is not being removed often enough, you can ask the depot manager of the Tembisa depot, Betty Tabete. If the depot managers do not respond, you can ask Hudson Mboweni. And if none of them responds, their MMC is Andre Duplessis. For any of these problems, you can also ask your ward councillors to help. You can also contact us at Planet or 121.